How to install HeiChat on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify store. Second, search for HeiChat in the Shopify App Store. Third, once you find the HeiChat app, click on Install. Fourth, after reading the permissions and details, click on Install App. Fifth, once the app is installed, give your chatbot a name to personalize it for your store. Sixth, introduce your store to the chatbot. Note, if you'd like the chatbot to respond to customers in a specific language, you can provide the desired language script or responses at this step. Seventh, install the HeiChat app to your online theme. Eighth, finally, click Save to make HeiChat appear on your store.